Keep the messaging the same, short, compressed, not a sales pitch. Not a sales pitch. Not a sales pitch, not a sales pitch, not a sales pitch. Here's why. Even when you're right, they're going to misinterpret it and they're going to go, I don't need that, right? And now you're screwed. Have it be an insight. Something's going on. I wanted to make sure you were aware of it, right? That's the best that you can ever send. The best message you could ever send is, and there's something going on that every director of procurement's having to deal with, or in your case, Nick, general contractor, or whatever you're doing right now, whatever that person is, your profile. There's something going on that every HR director's having to deal with. Nobody's talking about it. I wanted to make sure you were aware of it. That screams, this conversation will be useful to you whether you do business with me or not. Hard work doesn't close deals, skill does. And right now you're working way too hard for way too little. Listen, sales is not about grinding yourself into the ground. It's about saying the right words at the right time with the right confidence. If you don't have a process that works, you're always going to be struggling. At Easton University, I'm going to show you the exact process that top performers use to double their sales without working longer hours. You're going to get full access to our interactive learning portal and live coaching with me twice a week. Hey, I get it. Sales is hard, but we're going to make it easy for you. Click the link here. Let's get you selling at the level you deserve.